सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 187, verse number 160. Ayam yat srujate vishvam tadanyathayitum puman na kopi shaktastenayam सर्वेश्वर इति ऋतः. Ishvara, the Lord, has to be inferred because we don't see Ishvara directly. Therefore, we have to infer the Ishvara. Number one, that Ishvara's Shakti has to be inferred. Anumiyate. Vidyaranya asking, Anumiyatam. When you are not able to see something directly, when it is paroksham, you have to infer. How you infer? We visit the temple. We worship the Lord. All of us know Ishvara is not in front of us. We are just thinking Ishvara is somewhere. Not pratyaksham. He is paroksham. So whatever is paroksham, imperceptible, you have to do an inference. Inference means anumanam. Anumanam is also a pramanam. Anumanam is also a means of knowledge. Since pratyaksha pramanam is not available to operate with regard to Ishvara, we have to go to the next pramanam, anumana pramanam. That anumana pramanam used by the logician, Naiyayika, with regard to Ishvara. To establish Ishvara, Naiyayika used the anumana pramanam. And to establish the Ishvara's omniscience, sarvajñatvam, also he uses anumanam. And to talk about the Ishvara's sarva shaktimatvam, also he uses anumanam. Naiyayika used the anumana pramanam for Ishvara astitvam, Ishvara sarva shaktimatvam, Ishvara sarvajñatvam. All can be established only through anumana. We also just follow the Naiyayika. We also do anumanam, but Shruti Sammata Tarka we follow. He follows Kevala Tarka. Kevala Tarka means Tamil Kevalam you can take. Kevala Tarka means Shruti is not there for him. Shruti is secondary. His tarka, logical statements are not backed by that Shruti. That is why Shankaracharya in Sadhana Panchakam, he says one sloka, Vakyarthascha vicharyatam shrutis chiras tarkonu sandhiyatam. Vakyartha, we have to arrive at. What is that Vakyartha? Tat tvam asi mahavakya. You can arrive when you know the pada artha. Pada alone makes the vakyam. Padas together makes vakyam. Tat is one padam. Tvam is another padam. Padam means word. Asi is another word. Tat, tvam, asi, three words separately cannot make any sense. Words by themselves cannot make any sense. If you put the words together, pada samuhaha vakyam. All the words put together a sentence. Tvam pada, tat pada, asipada. We are not talking any about other words, worldly words or sentences we don't want. Rama went to temple, Rama took bath, Rama ate food. This is not our discussion. Those sentences we are not talking. Our topic is Tattvamasi Mahavakya topic. To arrive at that Vakya Artha, Tat Tvam Asi, first I have to do what? Pada Vichara. Pada Artha Vichara. Tvam Pada Vichara is over. Now we are doing Tatpada Vichara. Tat means Ishvara. Tvam means Jiva. So Jiva Vichara we have done and kept it ready. Pada Vichara. Now Tatpada Vichara we are doing. Then only later we do Vakya Vichara. For that Acharya said in that shloka, Vakyarthascha Vicharyatam. To do an inquiry into Vakyam, first you should know what is Pada. Shrutishiras tarkonu sandhiyatam. May you take a logic which is backed by Shruti Shiraha, Starkaha. Shruti is the top. A Tarka which accept the Shruti as the top priority, then subservient to Shruti Tarka. Shrutis chiras tarkonu sandhiyatam. Dustarkat suviramyatam. Here Vidyaranya pointing out. Atarkyam, he said in the last class. I explained what is atarkyam. Undoubtable. It cannot be argued through only logic. Dustarka, that is, Shastra Sammata Tarka is Sutarka. Shastra is secondary, Tarka is primary. The logicians, they all take Tarka as primary. Therefore, that is called Dustarka. Acharya says, Shankaracharya, Dustarkat Suviramyatam. Without studying Shastra, don't argue just like that. Your intellect is arguing, your intellect is asking, tell me what is Ishvara, where is Ishvara. First study Shastra. Your intellect will ask questions. It has got a lot of questions. I don't want to give answers to your intellect. It is Kevala Buddhi, Kevala Tarka. Your buddhi, which is backed by Shastra, Tattva Bodha, Gita, Upanishad, that buddhi which has got Shastra Pramanam in its mind or buddhi, then I will talk to you that logic. Shastrame illenna and the buddhilo, suppose, onnume kekala, not yet heard any Tattva Bodha or Upanishad, Viveka Chudamani, any text, and asking questions. Can I give answer to you? I should not. What should I say? Come to the class. If I give answer to a person just like that, he is asking me and he is studying without studying Shastra, that is called Dustarka. For a Dustarka person, I need not give answer because he can never understand. If he understands also, he understands wrongly. That is why we never argue with the people who are all not exposed to Shastra thoroughly. Once they are focused to Shastra systematically, not hearing here and there from so many people. We don't want such people also. With that people also we don't argue. Because when they don't have the systematic study from a competent teacher for a length of time, the systematic is very important. Okay. Here and there I hear some ideas, vague ideas I put like piling of bricks. All bricks you put, the lorry comes, with bricks and stones and all. They just dump the bricks. Can it make a house? What makes the house? Arranged bricks or dumped bricks? Piled bricks or arranged bricks? Arranged bricks. Once you understand that example, your ideas, your thoughts regarding Tat, Tvam, Asi, all are just like that. You here and there, you hear and study, read by books and internet galore. Internet la ellame irkum impo. I hear all of them like a dumped piles, bricks, like piled bricks. They are not arranged. That is why you have to go to a guru and study under a competent teacher for a length of time. That guru will arrange each idea in proper place. Then a beautiful palace will come. Without that, no beautiful palace. What is the use of bricks? If you don't arrange them properly, what is the use of bricks? Arranged bricks in the form of house is useful, or piled bricks, dumped bricks, Rasi is useful. Tell me. We are highly intelligent with regard to example. Apply the same principle when you want to understand. Why I am not able to understand? Why I am not able to understand? That question is meaningless. I need a lot of time. A palace to construct, how much time it takes? How much time to bring its finishing, beautiful finishing to bring, how much strain, how much time? Time consuming process, effort consuming process. Similarly, this knowledge is also like a time consuming process, effort consuming process. Pada vichara, vakya vichara, dustarkatsu viramyatam. Therefore, he says, Shrutimatas tarkonu sandhiyatam. That's a Vidyaranya asking, never argue, don't use kevala tarka, atarkyam, he said in the above sloka. Shrauta artha avitarkyatvad. That's why I am explaining this much time. Okay. Why Swamini is starting instead of Maya, Pratibimba Chaitanyam? Why this tarka? I am not talking. Acharya said in the above said sloka, avitarkyatvat. Whatever said in Shruti, you should not question through just logic. It is not doubtable. You should not doubt. Therefore, now come to the topic. Okay, give respect to Shastra. Allow your buddhi to go in keeping with Shastra. Okay, allow your buddhi to go in keeping with Shastra, not in keeping with your Kevala buddhi. Kevala buddhi will never get knowledge. A buddhi which has got a Shruti Vakyams, arranged Vakyams in that buddhi, that buddhi has received Vakyams from the Guru, from a competent Guru, systematically. If you fulfill all these conditions only, you can claim Aham Brahmasmi. Okay. Guru padi sollinde irpa, avaru sollinde irparna, appadella ninekka kodadu. Guru never say casually anything. Whatever Guru says, Guru is thinking a lot and using one bomb-like word, atom bomb. Each word is like an atom bomb. Don't take any single word of Guru as just granted. Every word is powerful, every word is important, every word is significant. Every word I have to grasp with alert and I have to think about it. If I want nishtha, if I want jnanam and nishtha, I have to surrender to this process. No other way. You have to remember this, whatever I have spoken now. Until you get nishtha, you should not forget this. If you forget, I will say you forget about nishtha also. Suppose you forget this, I say you forget about nishtha, jnana nishtha also. It can never come easily. Therefore, Ishvara is samashti chidabhasa. என்ன புரியறது சொல்லுங்க? ஒண்ணுமே புரியல. அதுக்குதான் ஸ்ரத்தா. என்னமோ சொல்றான். ஈஸ்வரஹா is equal to samashti chidabhasa, total reflected consciousness in Maya medium. Have you seen Maya? மாயையே பார்க்கல, மாயில பிரதிபிம்பம் எப்படி பார்க்க முடியும்? Infer. How you infer? How you inferred the fire on the mountain? How you infer there is a fire on the mountain? By seeing the smoke. Fire on the mountain, fire on the mountain. When we were young, we were playing fire on the mountain. Have you seen the fire? No. How do you know there is fire on the mountain? The smoke, dhumavatvat parvataha vanhiman pakashalavat dhumavatvat. Like that, here also, Maya is a medium. Samashti, Karana Shariram is called Maya. In that Maya, there is Samashti Chidabhasa. Have you seen? No. Have you seen that water drops in that Meghakasha? How you have inferred? Through Jalakasha, Pratibimba Jalakasha, reflection in this water, I infer that Tushara, Megha, Akasha, I infer. Similarly, you infer Samashti Chidabhasa, Ishvara, Samashti Chidabhasa, total reflection through Vyashti Chidabhasa. Every mind is a medium. It has got a Chidabhasa. That Chidabhasa is called Jivaha, Ahankara, we said. Ahankara. That Pratibimba Chaitanyam in Vyashti mind, individual mind, there is a reflected consciousness. This is pratyaksham or anumanam? I infer? No, you need not infer. It is pratyaksham. I am conscious of. Is this sari is conscious of? Every medium cannot reflect my face, only mirror can reflect my face. This mic is sitting in front of me every class. This mic is sitting in front of me in every class. Can I see my face in this mic sponge? Can I see my face? It's not possible. How nice it is if I see my face in this every time. Before the class I can look at my face. Suppose sari is able to reflect that consciousness, or my face, I can see my face in this. Unfortunately, fortunately, better not to reflect. They cannot reflect. Only certain surfaces can reflect. Isn't it? Any reflection can be formed only in certain reflecting mediums. This is clear for all of us. My face is not reflecting in the mic. My face is not reflecting in the sari. My face is not reflecting in the desk. My face is reflecting only in the mirror. Like that, Atma Chaitanyam, even though it is all pervading, why it is not reflecting everywhere? It must reflect everywhere. You are everywhere moving, your reflection must fall everywhere. Why it is not falling? Medium is not capable of, all mediums are not capable of. Only mirror, glass is capable of. Like that, even though Chaitanyam is all-pervading, it can reflect in the mind. Now, that is why you say, I am conscious of. Ahamkara, the Chidabhasa. Chittunudaya Abhasam, Chaitanyam. What is the nature of Chaitanyam? Sentiency, consciousness. Is it available here or not in your mind? Are you conscious of or not? Your mind is conscious now? Conscious of what? Panchadashi class. Yes? Are you conscious of? That means reflected consciousness is there. You are conscious of this class means your mind has received the consciousness. It has formed a reflected consciousness, ahankara. I know the Panchadashi class is going on. What is the time now? 11:24 minutes. Are you conscious of time? Yes, you are conscious of. That means the Chaitanyam, the awareness is available pratyaksham here. In the mind, the reflected consciousness here, it is pratyaksham. If you see it is not pratyaksham means, my class you are not receiving an arthamayadam. If suppose you say, I am not conscious of Swamini, and sonna, eppudu ayavum theriyumo? Appa, I am talking to a stone. Are you stone or are you a sentient being? I hope, with that hope only I am talking here. You are all sentient beings. You are conscious of that. You are listening to Panchadashi class. I hope you are conscious of receiving the teaching also. That means, is it pratyaksham or paroksham? This Chaitanyam, Chidabhasa, which is available in the mind, grasping the Vishaya, the Panchadasi Vishaya, is it pratyaksham or paroksham? Is it direct experience or indirect experience? Direct experience. Appa, ivada neram sonnadukku apparam direct experience dhaan. Now, you go to sleep, not now. Okay? When you go to sleep, okay, this pratyaksha anubhava Panchadasi 160th sloka, when you go to sleep at home in the night, what happens to this knowledge? What happens to this 160th sloka knowledge? It goes to unmanifest form. It goes to unmanifest form. It goes to unmanifest form or it totally has got destroyed. That 160th shloka of Panchadasi of 6th chapter of Vidyaranya in Mailapur club, whole knowledge has gone to potential form or totally deleted. Delete shabda na use panamaten and the recycle bin ku pogunadu. Adu venda. It is totally wiped off or just it has gone to unmanifest form. Tell me now. Unmanifest form. How do you know? Have you seen it has gone to unmanifest form? Have you seen? No. How do you know then? Because next week, Thursday class, you bring the Panchadashi book and open what sloka? First chapter. 6th chapter, 160th sloka only you open. That means this knowledge was there in potential form in the mind. You infer. In deep sleep it goes to unmanifest form. It has not gone. So, Sukshma Shariram, consciousness dwara, whatever you receive, it is there in potential form. Like that, all Sukshma Shariram's knowledge put together, All Sukshma Sarirams, mind belongs to which Sariram? Sukshma Sariram. Sukshma Sariram has got this mind, in that knowledge is there. There is a reflected consciousness. Mind has received the Panchadashi class, or the Chidabhasa in the mind has received that Panchadashi class? RC, the Chidabhasa, the sentient consciousness principle alone has received the Panchadashi class, which is in the mind medium. Now, Sukshma Sariram, all Sukshma Sariram. Our Sukshma Sariram, from where it has come? Karana Sariram. Karana Sariram is Karanam for Sukshma Sariram. So, Karana Sariram, when you go to sleep, Sukshma Sariram has gone to Karana Sariram. Isn't it? Now, all Sukshma Sarirams put together, Vyashti Sukshma Sarirams put together, Samashti Sukshma Sariram. One Sukshma Sariram gone into one Karana Sariram. All Sukshma Sarirams gone into Samashti Karana Sariram. Okay, now I am coming to the point. Your Sukshma Sariram has gone into Karana Sariram when you are in sleep. Because your Sukshma Sariram is not functioning, not available. Sukshma Sariramla irukra jnanam ellame enga irukku? Karana Sariramla irukku. When Saushuptam, in Anandamaya Kosha, in Karana Sharira, it is there. Once it is there in potential form, you accept it. One Sukshma Sariram, in sleep, it has gone into its Karana Sariram. Sukshma Sariram becomes what? When it is Karana Sariram, Sukshma Sariram becomes what? Karyam. Karyam goes into Karanam. One Karyam, Sukshma Sariram, goes into one Karana Sariram. All Sukshma Sarirams, Karya Sarirams, goes into Samashti level. Your Sukshma Sariram, my Sukshma Sariram, her Sukshma Sariram, all minds, when all of them are sleeping, all the minds goes where? Into Karana, total level Samashti Karana Shariram or Karana Prapancha. All they go. Just as your knowledge has gone to unmanifest form, and that Karana Sarira, Nidra Samaye, we don't know. You are inferring. We don't know, we cannot see. If you see that in Karana Sharira, suppose in the Sukshma Sariram, knowledge, Panchadashi, Jnana, Ellame, Tukkathila, kuda theriyirudha nenachukongale. Enna agum? Enna agum? Adu Tukkama? Is it a sleep? It is not sleep. A sleep is that in which you don't know anything. Na kinchid avedisham. Similarly, all Sukshma Sarirams, when they have gone to Karana, Samashti Karana Sariram, all Sukshma Sarirams Jnanam has gone to Samashti Karana Sariram, that is Ishvara. Can you know Ishvara Sarvajnatvam? உன்னுடைய சர்வஜ்ஞத்வமே தெரியல உனக்கு. ஈஸ்வரனுடைய சர்வஜ்ஞத்வம் எப்படி தெரியும்? Therefore, infer. All Sukshma Sarirams Jnanam has gone to Samashti Karana Sariram. Sukshma Sarirams are Karyam, Karana Sariram is Karanam. Karanam is Karanam, it is a Bijam, you can never know it directly. Just like Bijam. Vriksha you see. Vriksha in seed, can you see? That's why Ishvara is Karana, Samashti Karana, Sharira, Pratibimba Chaitanyam Ishvara. Ishvara is Sarvajnaha, Almighty. Enge irkar. Suppose your children ask, tell me, where is your physics knowledge when you are sleeping? You ask your son. He is asking, no? Where is Ishvara? Where is Ishvara's power? I ask you, where is your physics knowledge when you are in sleep? It is in Karana Avastha. It is Karana Avastha. Do you know about your physics knowledge? Similarly, Ishvara is none other than Karana, Samashti Chidabhasa. Vyashti Chidabhasala irukra jnanam, Samashti Chidabhasala irukuma irukada. Tamil Nadu, India la irukuma irukada. Tamil Nadu is in India or not? Yes, it is in India. So, Sukshma Sariram is in Karana Sariram or not? It is there. So, all Karanas, Sarirams, individual Sarirams put together, Samashti Karana Sariram, Ishvara. Each individual Sukshma Sariram knowledge put together is in unmanifest form. Where? In Ishvara. It is in Ishvara. How can you see Ishvara? Ishvara is Karana Sariram. Samashti Karana Chidabhasa. Samashti Chidabhasa Ishvara. Ishvara is equal to what? How many components? Jiva and how many components? 3. OC, RC, RM. Ishvara? OC, RC, RM. For Ishvara, how do you know Ishvara? Prajnaha stritiyah padaha. Karanam, Karana Ishvarasya sarvagnatvam, sarvashaktimatvam. Can you know? Your Karana Sariramla Munude Shakti Terila Unaka. Ishvarunuடைய Shakti Anumiyatam. May you infer. Are you enjoying this? Innamo na kekare. Enjoying. See, Veshti Sharira, Veshti Sukshma Sharira Jnanam, Manasla Irikra and the Jnanam, Tukatla Ilye, Ena Karana Sariratu Poirkon, Anandamay Kosha and Nenartha, Saushuptam, Anandamay Kosha, Karana Sariram. None of us remember our knowledge. Samashti Karana Ishvarana, Irikra Sarva Shakti Matvam, Sarvagnatvam. Are they perceptible? Are they experienceable? No. It is not possible. Why? It is in Karanavastha. Who is Ishvara? Ishvara is Tritiyah Padaha. Karana Prapancha, Karana Sariram, Samashti Chidabhasa, therefore Anumiyatam. Why? Since Sukshma Sarirams have got knowledge, all Sukshma Sarirams put together Karana Sariram, Karana Sariramla, idellame irukum, adnale, your individual knowledge, her individual knowledge, all individual knowledge put together, Ghatasya Karta Ghatagnaha, Patasya Karta Patagnaha, Sarvasya Karta Sarvagnaha. All knowledges, all sciences of all knowledge of all beings, ஆண்ட்டுக்கு இன்னும் தெரியும் எங்க சுகர் டப்பால இருக்கான்னு தெரியும். அது நாலேஜா இல்லையா? Every being's knowledge in its mind which is there, all are in potential form is Ishvara. Is it not Sarvagnatvam? You have one knowledge that what a relative, this they are called this reality, singularity, this what is earth has got what power? Gravitational power. Who found that? Not you and I. Who discovered that earth has got gravitational power? Einstein, when he saw apple coming down. But we are also seeing so many things are falling down, but we never thought why apple is coming down only, why it is not flying in the middle. Then immediately he found out Gurutva Akarhan Shakti, it has got gravitational power. Einstein has got that knowledge. Another person is having another knowledge. All knowledges are put together, Ishvara's knowledge. Sarvajnaha. Enna periya vishayam idhilo puriyaliyo anu kekkarar avar Vidyaranyar. So how Sarveshwara the Lord is Sarvajnaha is explained in 161 later sloka. 160 he has presented how Sarveshwara is to be grasped, ayam yat srijate vishvam. Yat srijate vishvam, ayam means what? This prajna, Ishvaraha. Fifth mantra of Mandukya, sixth mantra of Mandukya. Remember fifth mantra? 3 times I repeated in the last class. 3 times. Okay. So, Yesha Sarveshwaraha, Yesha Sarvagnaha, Yeshontaryami. Prajnaha, Tritiyah Padaha, Suptona, Kanchana Kamam Kamayate, Tat Sushuptam iti. When he wakes up, immediately he creates, I told you, only Jagradavastha. Or he goes to morning, early morning dream. Isn't it? So, that prajnaha, karana sharira, vestic karana sharira prajnaha, either wakes up or goes to dream. Anyathayitum shakyate, you can change other avastha, other than swapna avastha and sushupti avastha or jagrada avastha. Can you make any other fourth avastha? You are making or Ishvara making that? Tell me. Other Ishvanude greatness, Unude greatness. Unude greatness and Tungave mato, Ilendakave mato. But helplessly you wake up. Punascha janmam tara karma yogad sayeva jiva swapiti prabuddha. Helplessly you wake up. Helplessly you go to sleep not in the class. Okay, helplessly we go to sleep, helplessly we wake up. Is it your power or Ishvara's power? Tell me now. That's what he is telling. Ayam yat srijate vishvam. Jagrada prapancha srijate. Tad anyathayatum puman. No human being or devatas can make it other way round. They cannot alter, they cannot change, they cannot do anything for that. Puman. Na kopi shaktaha. No one can make it alter. Therefore, tena is avyayam. Tena. Therefore, I am sarveshaha iti iritaha. This, whatever is that samashti chidabhasa karana pratibimba chaitanya Ishvara is sarveshwaraha. That's why Maya in that previous page or sloka, what is that sloka? Number 157, Mayadhina chidabhasaha. Shrutau Mayi Maheshwaraha. You see, we are all helplessly waking up, going to sleep. But Ishvara is Mayi. Ishvara is controlling the Maya. That is why sleep is not under your control. Waking up is also not under your control. Eppanna yosichu paathalo. Ethana maniki thoonganum. What time I have to sleep? You go to bed, but you won't get sleep. Why? 10, 5 minutes, 2 seconds, correct, I want to get sleep. Sleep? Why? Why not? You are thinking you are gold medalist. Sarveshwaraha. Maya is under his control. You are under the control of Maya, Ishvara. That's why he is called Sarveshwaraha. He knows when to wake up you, when to go to sleep. Sometimes he makes you to sleep in the class also. Papa Prarabdha. Papa Prarabdha is there means Panchavadashi, you don't understand an artha. Yenna, Sushma Sariram, gone to sleep. So therefore, Sarveshwaraha srijate vishvam. Kopi na shaktaha. Okay. Sarveshaha iti iritaha. Ir dhatu. It is said as, called as Ishvaraha, Sarveshwaraha, controller. Next shloka, 161. Asesha prani buddhinam vasanastatra samstitah ताभिक्रोडीकृतं सर्वम् तेन सर्वज्ञ ईरितः. All these slokas are on the description of Ishvara, that which has presented in the Mandukya 6th mantra. Esha Sarveshwaraha over, now Esha Sarvajnaha word. Sarvajnaha means all knower, omniscient. Sarveshwaraha means all controller. Control, Ish means to control. He controls everything. Sarveshwaraha, master of everything, master of Maya. Master of Maya, Sarveshwaraha. Master of Maya means what? Master of Maya means what? Master of Nama Rupa Prapancha. Whole Nama Rupa Prapancha is appearing and disappearing. Gross Nama Rupa goes to subtle Nama Rupa. They go into Karana Nama Rupa. Karana Nama Rupa visible or invisible? Invisible. That's why Ishvara is invisible. Ishvara Shakti is invisible. Ishvara Shakti, why we do Namaskara, now we understand. Why we do Namaskara? That invisible force, I am doing Namaskara. And in morning I have woken up. Thank you, I have woken up. Until you wake up, you do not know tomorrow I wake up or not. How do you know? After waking up, I do Namaskara to Ishvara. Amma, parvale. Today, working. So that is why we have to thank Ishvara. Sarvajnaha, all knower. How do you know? Asesha prani buddhinam vasanaha tatra. Tatra means in the samashti pratibimba chaitanya Ishvara anartham. Tatra means in that, why tatra? Not atra. Tatra means we are inferring. Avarindri, avanindri, oranamu asyad. என்னுடைய என்றின்னு சொல்ல மாட்டான், அவன் என்று, அவன் தான் சொல்லுவான். அவன் என்ன? ஈஸ்வரஹா தத்ர. இந்த சமஷ்டி பிரதிபிம்ப சைத்தன்ய ஈஸ்வரே. Vasanaha. Vasana means we should not take individual mind vasanas. Here vasanas means all individual minds put together in potential form is called vasana. All individual minds put together, all in potential form is called vasana. That is why Vidyaranya says, Asesha prani buddhinam. Not one prani, one buddhi, one knowledge. All pranis, all buddhis, all knowledge put together. Each being has got its own knowledge. All knowledge put together, it is single knowledge. Total knowledge. Sarvajnaha. Ghatagnaha, patagnaha, physics agnaha, chemistry agnaha, gnaha, computer gnaha, dance gnaha, sangeet gnaha, panchadashi gnaha. All gnaha put together, gnaha cholano appuram. Bahuvachanam. Who is that? Nama matram illa. Ishwaran. All our knowledge put together, Ishvara. Tatra sarva prani buddhinam vasanaha. You can understand easily. அதுக்கு தான் அவ்வளோ நேரம் பேசினேன். இந்த ஸ்லோகம் புரியறதுக்கு தான். சர்வ பிராணி புத்தீனாம் வாசனாக தத்ர சம்ஸ்திதாக. தத்ர இது யுக்தே குத்ர? சமஷ்டி சிதாபாச சைதன்ய ஈஸ்வரே. Samashti Chidabhasa means what? Samashti Chidabhasa is Karana Pratibimba. Samashti Karana Srira Pratibimba Chaitanyam is called Samashti Chidabhasa. Samashti Chidabhasa is equal to Ishvara. Ishvare in Artham. Samsthitaha are there or not? How do you know? Infer. Your buddhi, my buddhi, other beings' buddhi, jnanam, vasanas are all in potential form. Enge irukum? Ishvaranlo irukum. That is why we see how great it is, our Shastra. Now we understand the greatness of our Shastra. Logically we are enlightening the person, educating the intellect. Since I have a knowledge, since that being has knowledge, this being has knowledge, another being has knowledge, even amoeba has got knowledge. Amoeba becomes two, and the second one again becomes two. Have you seen amoeba? Virus? What not? All beings, all insects, all animals, all birds, all trees, everything has got knowledge. All knowledge put together, Ishvaras. That's why Sarvajnaha, Samsthitaha, Tabhihi. Tabhihi means buddhi vasanabhihi ityarthaha. Tabhihi means buddhi vasanabhihi krodikritam, vishayikritam ityarthaha. Captured. All that tabhihi, buddhi vasanabhihi, which are all in potential form, our knowledge was in potential form when we were sleeping. All beings are sleeping, all beings' knowledge is in potential form. Tabhihi, once you wake up, capture the Vishaya. When you are sleeping, you don't know this is Pushpam. Smellu theriyadu. When you are sleeping, keep the flower near the nose. Somebody keeps the flower. Do you know? Krodikritam means what? In a capsule form they are there. Those vasanas only when you wake up, they capture. Vishayikritam. Objectified. Our all knowledge when we were in sleep, husband knowledge, daughter knowledge, house knowledge, your bank balance knowledge, everything was in potential form. When? In sleep. Once you wake up, Krodikritam. Enge bank. In bank holiday, classic holiday, idella paakrom. Ella Krodikritam. Sarvam tena sarvajna iritaha. Sarvam tabhi krodikritam. One sentence. Full stop. Sarvam means what? All potential knowledges are in Karana Ishvara. They are all in potential form. They capture when they come to Sukshma Sthula. They capture. Now you are capturing or not? I captured my photon. Now you capture. After capturing what? Oh, it goes into potential form. Is it not? You capture. If that does not have a capacity to capture, can it capture? The photograph, the photo camera must have the capacity, potential capacity to capture the photo. Can the clip capture? Cannot. Only camera capture. Similarly, potential Karana Shariram of Ishvara is potentially knowledge is there. It captures all knowledge. Isn't it? Okay. Tena, therefore, Sarvajnaha iritaha. Ishvaraha Sarvajnaha iti iritaha. Now all our knowledge put together, Ishvara's knowledge. And whatever she has got knowledge, I don't have. She cooks very nicely. Suppose I don't cook. I don't know. But Ishvara knows everything. Is it not? Ishvara knows everything. Satyena also avyayam here. Therefore, Ishvara is Sarvajnaha. Now, do you accept Ishvara Sarvajnaha or not? Now tell me here, not after wearing chappal. Now itself you have to tell me. Not for my sake. True to your heart. Tell me. You have to accept. Because Ishvara is Karana. Karana Ishvara for what? Virat Hiranyagarbha. So everything is in potential form in Ishvara. That's why you cannot see Ishvara. You have to infer. Sarvajnatvam also you cannot see in Ishvara. That Ishvara Sarvajnatvam you infer through your knowledge. Since I have knowledge, this knowledge must be coming from that Karanam. So Ishvara is Sarvajnaha. இது எப்படி சொல்லி கொடுக்கறது பீப்புளுக்கு? டெல் மீ now. Unless you study systematically, 1 class, 1 hour, you cannot convince the people. So just like putting flowers, Achyutaya Namaha, Govindaya Namaha. தெரியாமலே பூஜை பண்றேன், அபச்சாரம். அபச்சாரம் தான் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம் நாம. பகவான் பரவாயில்ல பண்ணு, கொஞ்ச நாள் உபச்சாரம் ஆயிடும் சொல்லி அப்படியே பகவான் இஸ் ஆக்செப்டிங் யூ in spite of your ignorance. Next shloka. Vasananam parokshatvat sarvajñatvam na ikshate sarvabuddhishu tadrishtva Vasana svanumiyatam. If Ishvara is Sarvajnaha, Sarveshwaraha, if the same Ishvara is in the totality, okay, totality, as well as in individual also. Okay? Illiya? Enna? Ishvara is Sarvajnaha, Sarveshwaraha at total level. That Sarveshwaraha, Sarvajnaha, Ishvaraha is non-separate. Tamil Nadu is non-separate from Ishvara. It is like, why can't I know that Sarvajnatvam of Ishvara? That Sarvajnatvam of Ishvara is all minds knowledge put together Ishvara. Why can't I know the Sarvajnatvam of Ishvara? That omnisciency of Ishvara, why can't I know? You ask. It is asking like, if Tamil Nadu is in India, why can't I know India? I'll put the question. If Sarveshwaraha, Sarvajnaha is nothing but all jivas knowledge put together, all Karana Sarirams put together, Samashti Karana Sariram, Samashti Chidabhasa, Ishvara you said, that means that Ishvara Sarvajnatvam I should know, because Ishvara is same, I have knowledge. Why can't I know that Sarvajnatvam of Ishvara? Suppose if you ask, I will put a counter question. It is like asking, Tamil Nadu is non-separate from India, I said. In the person enna kekkrana, if Tamil Nadu is non-separate from India, why can't I know all India when I am in Tamil Nadu? Puriyardo? Example puriyardo? Tamil Nadu is non-separate from India. Point number 1. Since Tamil Nadu is non-separate from India, India alone is the Tamil Nadu form, it is appearing S. Then why can't I know India, whole India, when Tamil Nadu is non-separate from India? Why can't I know whole India when Tamil Nadu is non-separate from India? Enna kelvi? Buddhu, you cannot know. Even Tamil Nadu is non-separate from India. Tamil Nadu knowledge cannot give all India knowledge. Therefore what? Therefore, padi next shloka proper. Vasananam parokshatvat. India is parokshanana. Tamil Nadu is pratyaksham. என்ன கேட்பீங்க அப்பப்போ? தமிழ்நாடு இஸ் பிரத்யக்ஷம். ரொம்ப கிட்ட எனக்கு தெரியும் தமிழ்நாடுன்னா. இப்போ ட்ரெயினில் ஏறினா நாளைக்கு காலையில் போய் எல்லாம் பார்த்துட்டு வந்துடுவேன். எப்படியாவது ஒரு கார் பிடிச்சிட்டான்னா எல்லாம் போய் பார்த்துட்டு வரலாம் தமிழ்நாடு. இந்தியா இஸ் பரோக்ஷம். இட் இஸ் ஆல் வாஸ்ட். இட் இஸ் நாட் பாசிபிள் ஃபார் யூ. சிமிலர்லி யுவர் சர்வ நாலேஜ் இஸ் பிரத்யக்ஷம் ஃபார் யூ. யுவர் லிமிட்டெட் நாலேஜ். என்ன நாலேஜ்? லிமிட்டெட் நாலேஜ். எல்லாம் தப்பா பண்ணி அறக்குறையா பண்ற நாலேஜ் பிரத்யக்ஷம். பரந்து வாசனானாம் அப்பிரத்யக்ஷத்வாத். இட் இஸ் நாட் பிரத்யக்ஷம். யுவர் ஓன் காரண சரீரம், யுவர் நாலேஜ் இஸ் தேர். இஸ் இட் பிரத்யக்ஷம்? வாட் டு டாக் ஆஃப் ஈஸ்வராஸ் நாலேஜ்? இட் இஸ் அப்பிரத்யக்ஷம். வாசனானாம் Parokshatvat means apratyakshatvat. Paroksha means indirect. Sarvagnatvam nahi ikshate. The all-over omnisciency of that Ishvara cannot be directly perceivable. Therefore, sarva buddhishu tad drishtva. By knowing in every buddhi, sarva buddhishu, ant buddhi, elephant buddhi, scorpion buddhi, snake buddhi, yella buddhi, 84 lakhs of buddhis, 84 lakhs of species, varieties. All buddhis, vasana, sarva buddhishu tad drishtva, vasanasu anumiyatam. May you infer that Ishvara's sarvagnatvam by seeing the vasana, every individual having his knowledge in potential form. Individual knowledge in potential form itself is paroksham. Thookathila nama knowledge pratyakshama parokshama. In sleep, whole your knowledge, Sanskrit knowledge, Sanskrit knowledge, Vedanta knowledge, ella knowledge, pratyakshama irka, parokshama irka. Where it has gone into Karana Shariram. Samashti Karana Ishvarana Kudla Poirka Adellame Pratyakshama Paka Mudima Nahi Ikshate. Vasananam Anumiyatam. May you infer. May you infer. Just you infer your intellect, knowledge in sleep. You infer Ishvara's intellect, knowledge also. Vijnanamaya Mukhyeshu Kosheshvanyatra chaivahi Antastishthanyamayati Tenantaryami tambrajet. From this shloka onwards, 163 to 181, Antaryami description. Antahastitva yamayati, remaining inside, the one who controls. Yamayati means controls. Antaryami. 163 to 181, whole portion, Antaryami Brahmanam is just borrowed of Brihadaranyaka, 3rd chapter, 7th Brahmanam. Antaryami Brahmanam. Even Tapanaya Upanishad also. So, the Sarveshwaraha over, Sarvagnaha over, Esha Sarveshwaraha, Sarvagnaha, Yeshontaryami, that Antaryami description is going to come in the next class. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.